Hello everyone, welcome to Tips for Education. I am Hemant Kashyap, bringing you another episode of the series Vedic Maths. Today we are going to learn subtraction. So let's begin. Now in this episode I am going to give you 3 new tricks to do subtraction more faster and in a better manner. So let's start. These tricks are little similar to tricks of additions. Our first technique is subtraction by addition. Now in this technique, when this technique is only applicable when you are subtracting numbers like 9, 8, 7, 6, 4. We cannot use numbers less than that because it is easier to subtract them directly rather than doing this little complicated process. So let us take an example 27 minus 8. Now I am going in first step. I am going to subtract 10 from 27. So we'll get 17. Now in second step, what I am going to do is we need to subtract 8, but we have subtracted 10. So we have subtracted two numbers extra. So I'm going to add 2. That is 17 plus 2. We will get 19. Now this is first trick. Pretty simple, but it is still a narrow trick. We can only use for 5 numbers. Next trick is also little bit wider, but you cannot use for every number. Next trick is subtracting left to right. Generally we subtract from right to left, but this time you should subtract left to right. Now here this trick should be applied when the first number is larger than the second number, and the unit digit of the first number should be larger than unit digit of second number. These two things, keep it in your mind. Otherwise this trick won't be applicable and you will get mistakes. So now let us do an example question for this. Example question, you can take 78 minus 42. Now 78 goes to 3 and 8 minus 2 equals to 6. So 36 is the answer. We can do because our brain can solve left to right easily than right to left. So this trick is last technique is widest technique ever possible, and you can use this technique for any number. Literally every number you can use, practicing with using complement. Now let us take a number. We are going to do 4 problems related to our third trick. So our first question is, let's see our question, that is 48 minus 22. 48 minus 22. So now here first we should round up 22 to its nearest multiple of 10, that is 20, and we'll keep our complement ready. So its complement is minus 2 because you are subtracting 2. You are subtracting 2. So our complement will be minus 2. We'll keep it ready. Next step, 48 minus 20. Equals to 28. Now next step, you should add the complement. In this case we should subtract. Add the complement, then you will get your answer. 26 is my answer. Hence I got 26 as my answer. Now we will do next question. Let's erase this all. And next question is 177 minus 139. 177 minus 139. So complement of 139 is 140. Sorry, nearest multiple of 10 is 140, and its complement is 1, not minus 1, plus 1. Now we will solve the question. Now 177 minus 140. 177 minus 140 equals to 37, and you should add complement. So 37 plus 1, and our answer is 38. It is our answer. So we will do next question, and our next question is, let's erase this one, and our next question is 2349 minus 728. 2349 minus 728. Now nearest multiple of 10 to 728 is 730. You can take even nearest multiple of hundreds, but taking nearest multiple of 730 is lot better. So, and its complement is 2, plus 2 is its complement. Now we will solve this. So 2349 minus 728, it is 1 here, sorry, 730, that is 9, 3 1 7 will give you 1619. And next we should add the complement. So I'll add 2, you'll get 61621. This is our complement. This is our correct answer. Now we'll see another question. I think last question. So our last question is little bit higher levels because we are doing good till here. So 5413 minus 2112. 5413 minus 2112. So here what we have to remember is the nearest multiple of 10. It will be a lot better and easier, and the nearest multiple of 10 is 2110. So automatically the complement will be 2. Let's solve this question. Now 5413 minus 2110. So 5413 minus 2110 equals to 3303 and plus 2. Answer will be 3305. This is our answer. So that is it for today, guys. Let us meet again in next episode of Vedic Maths.